Hi everyone, welcome back to my lab and today's video, which is going to be a subscription box unboxing. I love makeup subscription boxes because it's kind of a little treat to myself every single month. I do pay for the subscription boxes that I receive. However, this one was actually gifted to me by the American Influencer Beauty Bundle, and I wanted to share it with you since it's a subscription box with which I wasn't already familiar, so maybe that would be the same for you. So this one was gifted to me, and I also have the Try Beauty box, to which I've been subscribed for a very long time. So if you want to see what I got in my boxes, go ahead and keep on watching. But if you're new here, I'm Jody. Thank you for clicking on my video. Hope you're gonna like this one and consider subscribing to my channel. It's my personal goal to maybe reach 10K subscribers sometime soon, and I would love your help in doing so if you do enjoy this video. Now, without any further delay, let's go ahead and get into these boxes. So I'm gonna start with the Try Beauty box because it's the one that I'm subscribed to. I pay for my box and it comes every other month, and you do have the option to customize one item. Usually it's a selection between 2 palettes while supplies last. So I do already know what kind of palette I'm going to be getting in here, but I don't know what the other items are. One thing about the Try Beauty box is that they usually include items from every single category. So they'll have a tool, eyeshadow palette, some other makeup item, usually a skincare item, and things like that. So the first thing that I'm seeing here, see, there are cards included with this palette. Something about Velacora Jewelry. So it looks like a jewelry company based out of Toronto. So I'm going to go ahead and flash that up there so you can see there is a discount code if you're interested in checking them out, TBB10. And then I also have my little info card with the different items that I received, so we have the prices here. So let's see, the first thing that I'm seeing is what looks to be a face mask, but it's a little bit smaller than your typical face mask. This one says it's an acne pimple master patch, so maybe it's specifically for treating a breakout. I might give this to my daughter. I'm lucky in that I don't really suffer a lot from breakouts. I mean, I have a little one here, but it's not anything that really bothers me at all. This pimple patch master is $6. It says multiple award-winning pimple patch protects wounded or troubled area from getting worse and maintains humidity of skin to prevent further breakouts, and it's the hydrocolloid type. So this is something I'll share with my daughter. Next, I see that we have some sort of what looks to be an oil. I do like that they package these liquid items separately in case that there's, you know, a break or spill of something. So it's also sealed completely. So this is the Marianella, which I received this brand in this box quite a bit. It's the oak moss and coconut golden oil with argan, marula, pomegranate, and grapeseed oil. It says that it is a premium oil blend. So this one says that it's a coconut body shimmering oil, a shimmering elixir that will nourish your skin with a powerful and beneficial combination of oils and give you the ultimate summer glow. Each is custom blended for you by hand in small batches at the Marianella Soap Bar in Soho, New York. Very nice. So it's for body. This is great. I thought that it was going to be for my face, and I have a lot of facial oils, so I'm actually really excited to try out a body oil. I'm really dry skin, as you know, and so something like that might work out well for me. Next, we have a couple of brushes from Luxie. So we have the Duo Fiber Powder number 516. I do love brushes from Luxie, and this is a Duo Fiber one. This is something I might use to apply a cream product, kind of like the cream blushes that are so popular right now. And then there's one in a different color. So this is a purple one, and this is the 660 Precision Foundation. Interesting. This isn't really the shape that I would normally consider for foundation, but I have discovered another Luxie brush, which is a contour brush, which I really love for foundation. So I do like Luxie brushes. I think they're really good quality, and on the card it says that the value of these two are $23. The 516, which is the Duo Fiber pink one, is to apply powder products with a diffused look or to build up cream and liquid products for a bolder finish. And then the bluish purple one says that it is to apply liquid or cream foundation and concealer for a medium coverage airbrushed finish. Actually, it's super soft. It's interesting. I wouldn't really consider the shape for that, but you can use the brushes for whatever you want, and I'm sure I'll find some use for those. Next, I have something from Wander Beauty, and I think I saw this on Lauren De La Fera's channel. I think she was using this as some kind of duo. So it says it's the Double Date Lip and Cheek Duo. I was recently using something like this from Kaya. They released the little mini bento boxes for lips and cheeks. So this is very similar. I do get a lot of Wonder Beauty in this subscription as well, and I've gotten to try a lot of their products and I really like them. This is really beautiful. It's definitely bigger than the Kaja one, and the shade that I got was Rendezvous and Swipe. So it's a dual shade. There's the first one, very pretty pink tone, and then underneath, oh, this one is a clear balm. Okay, so the tinted one is more like a blush, and the universal clear balm coats lips and cheeks comfortably for a moisturized feel. So this is something I wouldn't put on my cheeks, but I would definitely put it on my lips. So it's a nice little multitasking product. It says multitasking duo featuring sheer tint and clear shimmer-free balm for moisturized lips, cheeks, and eyes. The double-tiered compact with a built-in mirror is perfect for staying gorgeous on the go. Where's the mirror? Oh, I see. It's right here where the lip balm is. Very nice, very nice. I'm happy to receive this product and I'm excited to try that one out. The last item in my box is the eyeshadow palette, and this one is by Nomad Cosmetics. I've been really interested in this brand. My friend Jessica Lee Rojas Kent, she has a channel here on YouTube. She sent me a picture of a palette that she got from this brand. It was the Harajuku Tokyo palette. It's a very beautiful pastel palette that is getting really great reviews and it seems to always sell out. So I was interested to try something out by this brand and I really like the color story of this one. So this is the Nomad Italy palette, the Di Como palette. So I think that these are inspired by specific locations, and the information says that you have velvety, soft, and blendable eyeshadows formulated with extra fine pigments, 9 fresh, rich shades inspired by living La Dolce Vita at Lake Como in the summertime. 5 mattes and 4 shimmers infused with organic grapeseed oil for a vibrant and long-wearing color. So the box, the outer packaging does reflect the box itself. So I had a choice between this one or a Glam Light palette. It's a brand new Glam Light palette which was more rosy in tone, and I think that was going to be the more popular item, but I've tried Glam Light palettes and I have not tried Nomad Cosmetics and this color story. Ooh, I really like it. So here's what that one looks like. Very interesting color story with yellow, greens, and blues. Very, very nice. So the retail value of that one was $27. I don't know if I mentioned the Wonder Beauty set, but the Wonder Beauty set was $22 and the oil was $36. So I'll put the value of my box up here. I do pay, I believe it's about $40 every single month for this specific subscription box, and I've really been enjoying this one. You get one actually every other month. All right, so I've gone ahead and put those aside. Now let's go ahead and open up this one. This one is the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. This one's also bi-monthly. The price for this one is $34, and that includes shipping to the US. They do have, I was looking up on their website, they do have international shipping. However, there are gonna be kind of pricey shipping charges in my opinion. I think it was like $15 to Canada and maybe $25 elsewhere around the world. So the shipping can be a little bit prohibitive compared to the price of the box, which is $34. But if you're interested and you live outside the US, then it's definitely a box that you can check out because I know that there's limitations to which ones are available in other countries. Another thing I know about this one, besides it being bi-monthly, is that they usually focus on just one brand. So I have this one, which I think that they told me it was going to be Monica Dark, but right now the one that's available if you were to subscribe now is by per lease. So each month or every other month that they have a box, they will select a specific brand to feature. So here's what the box looks like. It says be strong, be beautiful, be you, and it says IAI Awards. So I think that's an American Influencer Award show that they do. I don't know if they do it online, but I think like Samantha March and some other people received awards in that show. So yeah, so this one is Manakadar Beauty. Says, I'm thrilled to be partnering with the IAI Beauty Bundle to bring you these products. The core of our company is Beauty Simplified. I create products with you in mind to make your beauty routine easier. So on the back side, I have all the products listed, including the prices, so I'll be sure to share those with you. Here's the first product in the box. It is Hydration Happy. It is a hydrating face mist. And it seems like they have something from the Dead Sea. So let's see what it says. Skin-loving ingredients derived from seawater. Hydrating formula helps soothe and calm skin. Light formula provides hydration before or after makeup application. Retail price on this one is $19. Very refreshing scent and very light mist as well. Smells really nice. Has a little bit of a floral fragrance, which isn't my favorite, but it's not overwhelming. I do see that it has aloe leaf extract, which my skin loves. So very excited to try this one out. Next we have a mascara. This is the Luxe oh, it's not a mascara, it's a lash serum. The Luxe Lash Serum. Lashes appear thicker, shinier, and healthier look to your lashes. So this one is made with a non-irritating proprietary blend of proteins and peptides. Daily use of the serum will condition and strengthen lashes for a fuller, longer, and healthier looking set. I typically use the New Lash for my lashes, but I'll definitely give this a try. The before and after looks pretty impressive, but we know how that can go with before and after marketing photos. Just the same, it's an interesting product, and it says apply 1 to 2 times daily to clean and dry lashes. I like the application method. It looks like it comes in a mascara wand. I'll definitely give it a try. Next we have a mascara. So this one actually is a mascara. Everything is perfectly sealed, by the way. I know that BoxyCharm has gotten a lot of criticism. I'm gonna leave it in there because I can't open it. I know BoxyCharm has gotten a lot of criticism for sending out products that aren't sealed, so these are definitely sealed. So this says it is the Turn It Up Mascara, rich, creamy, long-wearing mascara that won't dry out your lashes or cause flakes. The custom wand reaches every part of the lashes, keeping them separated and defined for the perfect flutter with flair. Now on the back side, it has a picture of what the wand looks like. So it looks like it's going to be a natural bristle wand with kind of a long elongated shape. Very nice. I love trying out new mascaras, and subscription boxes are great for that. I do not purchase any mascaras because I have a lot of them right now. So here we have a lip product. This is the Lip Locked Priming Gloss Stain. So this one I can open, and it looks like it comes in a specific shade called Sienna. Okay, and it's completely sealed actually. Like it has, see, like you can completely open that up. I like the shade. It says that it's got a built-in primer for long wear and a smooth application. Innovative hydrating formula combines the properties of a lip gloss and a stain, infused with nourishing vitamins A and E and berry extract. Let's go ahead and swatch this one. It doesn't have a specific scent. I'm just glad it's not minty. I don't like minty gloss. Oh, that's a beautiful color. Look at that. Sometimes in subscription boxes, you'll get colors that are a little bit more out there, which I personally don't mind, but I know a lot of times people would prefer a more neutral tone, and that is definitely a wearable shade. Very pretty. It's in the shade Sienna. The price of this one is $24. The mascara was $29, and the lash serum was $29 as well. Okay, so here I have a powder product. It says that this is the HD Perfecting Powder. It says create a matte, silky smooth finish while eliminating oil and shine. Long wear universal powder for all skin tones. Keeps makeup put all day long. So like a finishing powder or a setting powder. And here's what that looks like. Everything is perfectly sealed. I really like that. So here is the compact. Has Mana Kadar on the front, and here's what that powder looks like. I like that it's not stark white. I think powders that are stark white can sometimes give you flashback, or it feels super soft. And yeah, it does have sort of like a beigey, peachy finish to it, and it feels super soft. Definitely will give that one a try. That powder retails for $29. And last but not least, we have the Long Wear Powder Split Pan Duo Bronzer and Blush. So let's see how the shade is for this one. There's no shade listed that I can see. It just says Uptown, so maybe that's the shade. Similar to the powder, it does come packaged in this plastic, and the compact is pretty similar. It says Step 3 Perfect Bronzer and Blush. There is no shade name on this one, so it says it's a multi-purpose time-saving compact that can be used as a blush, bronzer, highlighter, and shadow. Features 2 textures, matte and pearlized, that glide on smooth for easy application and a glowing finish. That's a bronzer. That's a pretty dark bronzer for me, but let's go ahead and swatch. I do like the blush. Yeah, the bronzer is one of those that are very, very luminous. You can see right there. That's the blush, very pigmented, and the bronzer. I don't know that I would use that as a bronzer. I don't like my bronzers quite that pigmented, but very interesting product. Retails for $24. So that was everything that was in my box. Everything came very nicely packaged with this foam insert, and I really appreciated receiving that. I'm a very, very small beauty vlogger, and when brands send me stuff, I get really, really happy, and I'm happy to share them with you and give you my thoughts. So I'll probably use these products in a get ready with me or something like that coming up really soon if you'd like to see them in action, and of course I'll report back and let you know my thoughts. The American Influencer Beauty Bundle did give me a discount code, which I will leave in the description box down below and put on the screen here in case you're interested in subscribing to them. It gives you 10% off of your first box, and they have a couple of variations where you can get bulk subscriptions, like pay for 6 months in advance and things like that, that give you a little bit additional savings. So if you're interested in checking them out, I will leave all the information in the description box down below. And thank you very much to IAI Awards and American Influencer Beauty Bundle, as well as Mana Kadar, for the lovely gifts. I look forward to trying them out. Lastly, if you like the makeup look that I'm wearing, I will have it. It's probably in the video prior to this one. I have a video trying out Sydney Grace products, so I will leave the details of everything that's on my face in the description box down below, but also check out that video if you're interested in the eye look in particular. That's everything for today's video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up for me. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and I look forward to seeing you again very, very soon on my next one. Bye-bye.